Welcome to craftspinner DIY tutorials. In this video, we are going to make these baby breath flowers which I have used in decorating these gajras. So let's dive into the enchanting world of ribbon baby breath flowers. This video is packed with tips and tricks to make these flowers. So let's jump right in and let the magic of ribbon baby breath flower unfold. Here I'm using a 2.5 centimeters wide ribbon and the length of the ribbon is 7 centimeters. Make a mark at the length of 7 centimeters and then cut the ribbon. Now fold the ribbon in half, make a neat mark and then cut the ribbon. If you see the edge of your ribbon has frayed a bit, then cut off the frayed edge and skewer all the edges of the ribbon by burning them. If you are new on my channel, I'm very happy to have you here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Here I'm using soldering iron to cut the petals because this is the easiest way to cut the petals. The other way is to cut the petals with a scissor and then burn the petals. But this is the easiest way. Soldering iron is a hot tool, so you don't have to burn the petals after cutting them. To give a round shape to the petals, I am burning the heads of the petals with the lighter and I am doing it individually. I am not burning all the petals in one go. I am just burning the petals separately. Next, I am going to sew the petals. There is a common conception that's wrong about baby breath flowers, that baby breath flowers are only in white color. No, baby breath flowers have many colors. They are in blues, mauves, and pinks and greens. Here I am making a baby breath flower in bluish green because I had made this flower in the same color and had made jewelry with that in my previous video. Here I am making baby breath flower without wire because I had made this flower like this and had used it in jewelry. That's why I am making it without wire. But I might make it with wire in some coming up new DIY project, and stay tuned, you are going to see lots of new projects with lots of new things in future. Okay, now pull the thread and give the flower a crimp, a moderate crimp, not too tight and not too loose. Instead of hot glue, I'm using UHU glue here to stick the flower. Put a line of glue at the lower edge of the ribbon and then start rolling it. See how beautifully it's taking the shape of a flower. And I am sorry, you are hearing the noise of children because there's a park near my home and the children are playing over there. Okay, I'm using acrylic paints here to give this flower a greenish blue color, and I am using lake blue and phthalo green here. More of lake blue and less of phthalo green to give it this shade. Dip the flower in this mixture and then leave it for a while to dry. This is the color of the flower after it's dried up, and I love this color. What do you think? We are going to make the leaves now, and I have given the measurements to into 5 centimeters while I am using a 4 centimeter wide ribbon here. Why have I done this? You'll see in a while. And I'm also using organza fabric here to make the leaves, and the color is different because that light green organza fabric was finished, so I had to use this color and this fabric in its place. Firstly, cut a piece of white green ribbon, then fold it in half and cut it from the middle. Then put a stencil on the ribbon. Yes, I'm using a stencil here because I wanted the leaves to be equal, because I was making jewelry and this was appropriate for it. When you cut a 4 centimeter wide ribbon in half, you get the measurements of 2 centimeter wide ribbon. That's why I had done it in the first place when I was giving the measurements. And I have used soldering iron to cut the leaf from organza fabric, because I don't have to burn it after cutting the leaf from organza fabric, and I'm going to give it a main vein by burning it with lighter. I am going to overlap both leaves, and then I am going to burn their edges, the lower edges, with lighter and press it down with my fingers and thumbs to stick them. But I am also using a drop of UHU to stick them as well. Your leaves are ready and so is your flower, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafting videos like this one. Thanks for watching.